The Fullerton Ocean Park Hotel Hong Kong is a luxurious 5-star resort located in the southern part of Hong Kong Island, offering a stunning blend of modern elegance and natural beauty. Situated near the scenic ocean park, it features breathtaking views of the South China Sea and lush greenery. The hotel is known for its contemporary architecture, spacious rooms, and a range of upscale amenities, including an infinity pool, a spa, fitness center, and dining options that highlight both international and local flavors. With its proximity to Ocean Park, a major theme park in Hong Kong, the hotel is a perfect choice for families and tourists looking to enjoy both relaxation and adventure. By the way, this is the hotel where Lionel Messi and his family stayed at while in Hong Kong. Room 922. Virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment. Positive points. Stunning view over the South China Sea. Nespresso coffee machine in room. Full minibar in room. Nice books in room. Safe in room. Umbrella in room. Bathrobes in room. Phone to TV pairing. Speaker in bathroom. Rain shower head. Balmain toiletries. Scales in bathroom. Good shuttle service. The manager at the reception was helpful. Negative points. Breakfast in 2 sittings. Strange pool cleaning times. Between 11 a.m. and 12 a.m. Guests couldn't use the pool on the same day after checking out, despite it being nearly empty. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe for more hotel and travel videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the videos. In my opinion, Balmain makes some of the best toiletries. The infinity pool is incredible. My rating, 4.7.